Hi, this is ZTE Blade A53 Pro and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first you should open the Play Store application and then tap to the search and enter the green Apple keyboard. So then just tap to install to get this application on your device and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app. Tap enable in settings. And near green Apple keyboard, click once on the switcher, then twice tap to OK and go back. Tap to switch input methods and switch your current keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now the process is finished, so let's just check the new keyboard look, and we could see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.